Hello everyone, regards from blogspocket.com, and today I will show you how you can get a yellow circle around your mouse click. So let's begin. So all we need to do is download a software called Spot on the Mouse. Search for it in the Google panel. So here it is, Spot on the Mouse. Click on it and go to downloads. Download the software. Okay, and start download. So it will get downloaded. Just open the file. This opened it, install it. After it has been installed, since you have no license key, close it. It will close in whatever 3 seconds. After it has been closed, it is settings and click on the click indicator. Now as you can see, red marking is appearing. You can also put a hello here in blue, so it will remain. See, that's how you can add a colored highlighter around your mouse clicks. As you can see, it is appearing. So that's all you need to do. Thank you.